one from Tel Aviv to Abu Dhabi. This is Captain Tal Becker speaking. We are very pleased to host you on board the historic flight from Tel Aviv to Abu Dhabi. This flight records two significant events in the history of the State of Israel and the region heralding another step towards regional peace. For the very first time, an Israeli registered aircraft will overfly Saudi Arabia and after a non-stop flight from Israel, land in the United Arab Emirates. The duration of the flight with a shortened route over Saudi Arabia will be approximately 3 hours and 20 minutes instead of what would have been more than 7 hours up to now. At the end of this historic non-stop flight, the wheels of the aircraft with the flag of the State of Israel on its tail will touch down on the runway in Abu Dhabi, the capital of the United Emirates. This will be another significant event in our history, just as El Al was, when peace was